Welcome to our guide on speeding up your Windows 11 for gaming. Let's explore how to enhance your gaming experience in 2025. First up, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. This is crucial for optimal gaming performance. Next, adjust your power settings to high performance to ensure your system prioritizes speed during gameplay. Disabling unnecessary background apps can free up vital resources, boosting your game's performance. Make sure to optimize your game mode settings for a better, lag-free gaming experience. If you're comfortable, certain registry tweaks can enhance your gaming experience even further. Don't forget to utilize Storage Sense to keep your disk space in check, which helps your system perform better. Configuring visual effects can result in a noticeable speed improvement, so adjust these settings accordingly. By utilizing direct storage, you can significantly reduce game load times for a smoother experience. To recap, updating drivers, adjusting settings, and managing resources are key to maximizing your Windows 11 gaming performance.